right? Take up the today topic is applications of determinants and matrices now, right? Now it is a introduction part. They are given first one is what is the meaning of a consistent system now, right? A system of equations is said to be a consistent if its a solution exists. Okay. Take one example here. If the determinant of A is not equals to 0, then A inverse exists or not exist? A inverse exists. So therefore, this one is said to be which system? Consistent system now, right? Same as it is the second one is inconsistent system. A system of equation is said to be inconsistent if its solution does not exist, right? Take this, if the determinant value is equals to 0, then A inverse does not exist. So this type of the problems are said to be what? Inconsistent system now, right? Next bit is that is a solution of system of linear equations using the inverse of a matrix, right? The solution of system of linear equations using the inverse of a matrix now, right? Consider the system of equations that is a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equals to d1 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equals to d2 and a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equals to d3 now, right? They are given total how many equations are? 3 equations now, right? See here a1x b1y c1z d1 a2x b2y c2z d2 a3x b3y c3z d3 now. They are given how many equations here? 3 equations, right? These 3 equations are which type of the equations are? Linear equation. How equations are linear equation. Reason? Because degree in the 1. So therefore it is said to be a linear equations now. They are given linear equations, right? We have to take particular question now. What is particular question? Take this 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equals to 10, right? That is 3x plus 2y plus 5z is equals to 20. Next 4x plus 5y plus 3z is equals to what? 50 now. They are given 3 linear equations, correct? Okay. They are given 3 linear equations. So we have to find out the what here? What is the value of x, y, z by using the which topic? That is the inverse of a matrix. That is the determinant topic now, right? ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಈ equations ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಈ topics ನ solve ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾವ? x, y, z value ಬರ್ತಾವ, right? Take assume that they are given these 3 equations now. ಇದು ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅದ, ಇದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿನಾಗಿ ಇವು 3 equations ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಇಂತ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ? ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ that is let a is equals to what here? a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3 now. Meaning that is coefficient of what here? X, coefficient of what? Y, coefficient of what? Z. Again coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z now. Coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of what? Z now, right? What is the meaning of matrix A? Matrix A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದ? Coefficient of x, y, z matrix ನಾ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ನ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು? ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಏನು ಬರಿತೀರಿ? 2 3 4 ನಾ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? 2 3 4. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 2 5. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4 5 3 ನಾ 4 5 3. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? A matrix ಅನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ A matrix? Coefficient of x, y, z. x, y, z ಬಾಜು ಏನೇನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ರೈಟ್? x meaning that is variables now. What are the variables here? x, y, z are said to be variables, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನೀವು ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ variables are, that is x, y, z are said to be variables now. What is the matrix B now? B is equal to constant values, right? d1 d2 d3 are said to be constants. What are the constants here? 10 20 15 now, right? 10 20 15 matrix B now, right? Then the system of equations can be written as, right? that is ax is equals to b now. A bari anta tanli madam, ax is equals to b now. Take a meaning of coefficient of xyz matrix, right? X meaning of xyz variable, b meaning of constant values, kata, that is a matrix into x matrix is equals to b matrix, right? They are given first case here. Case 1, if A is a non-singular matrix, then its inverse exists. ಅವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ. See here, if the matrix determinant of A is suppose 0 or maybe non-zero, kata, if the determinant of A value is 0, inverse does not exist, right? If the determinant value is non-singular, then A inverse is exists now, kata. Non-singular meaning not equals to 0, kata. If A is a non-singular matrix, then its inverse is exist आगे आता है, kata. Take this again, the same expression, that is ax is equals to b now. Ax is equals to b. One word use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ. Pre-multiply A inverse on both the side now, right? Take this A inverse first here, A inverse first here, right? Pre-multiply is over now. A inverse into A into x, A inverse into b, right? Next one, already we know that A inverse into A meaning R, that is R. Keep x as it is, equals to A inverse into b again as it is now, right? ಮತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ already I into A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ, A into I ಏನೇ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? that is same as it is I into x, x now, x is equals to A inverse into b. This one is said to be, this one is said to be which method? That is a matrix method now, matrix method, that is a 5 marks bit here, right? Case 2 now, if A is a singular matrix, then determinant value is 0 now. Already we know that singular meaning determinant value 0, non-singular meaning determinant not equals to 0, right? If A is a singular matrix, then determinant of A is equals to 0. In this case, we calculate two parts now. That is the two cases here. Adjoint of A into B, we have to calculate again conditions. If the adjoint of A into B is not equals to 0, then write down this sentence. Then solution does not exist. Equation is called inconsistent, right? Singular ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ A into B ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ A into B 0 ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು, the solution does not exist. Equation is called inconsistent, right? Suppose if the adjoint of A into B is equals to 0, ಮತ್ತೆ 0 ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು, then the system of equations is consistent or inconsistent, right? Inconsistent as many solutions or no solutions now, right? ಈ ಎರಡು ಕೇಸಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, right? ಈ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಷ್ಟೇನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು, ರೈಟ್? ನನಗೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಾ, ರೈಟ್? ಈ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಿಡಿದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಾಗ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? See here, the inverse solutions of system of linear equations using the inverse of a matrix method, meaning they are equations, they are given equations. Which equations are linear equations, correct? Linear equations in maybe 3 variables or maybe 2 variables, no idea, correct? Right? ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತಂತೆ ರೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಈಗ 2x plus 3y is equals to 10. Next 3x plus 4y is equals to 20 now. Correct? It is also linear equation in how many variables? 2 variables. This one is what? 3 variable. ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, ಹಿಂಗೂ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಂದ್ರ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, xy. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, xy ಸೆಟ್ ನಾವು, ರೈಟ್? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಾಗ xy 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನ 3 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ರೈಟ್? They are given here 3 linear equations. So take what is the meaning of matrix A? coefficient of x, y, z value. Either it is maybe positive or maybe negative. ಏನಾರ ಇರಲಿ x, y, z ಬಾಜು ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. It becomes what here? A matrix. What is the meaning of x? X meaning x, y, z, that is a variable now, right? B meaning the constant values. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ constants ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Suppose they are not given meaning, write down 0, right? That is B is equals to constant matrix now. Then the system of equations can be written as that is Ax is equals to B now. A meaning coefficient of x, y, z matrix. X meaning variable, B meaning constant. That if A is a non-singular matrix, then inverse is exist. Clear cut ಆಗುತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಬಂತು inverse exist ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Then Ax is equals to B. Take up the pre-multiply A inverse on both side now, right? We know that result of A inverse into A I, right? The remaining as it is now. I into x is equals to A inverse into B. It is said to be which method? Matrix method now, right? Ilo x is equals to A inverse into B antanu. What is the meaning of x? What is the meaning of x? Variables. X, y, z variables. What is the meaning of B? Constant. Between that is A inverse line. X meaning that is x, y, z variable. B meaning constant. What is the meaning of A inverse? A inverse ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, right? Now take this. What is the meaning of A inverse? A inverse meaning 1 divided by what is the formula? Determinant of A into adjoint of A now, right? Previous exercise naga maximum problems hinge ಮಾಡಿ 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A, right? Maybe on 5 to 6 questions solve ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಆ questions ನೀವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 80% ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತಂದಿರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತಂದಿರಬೇಕು ಮಿಡಲ್ನಾಗ A inverse ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ A inverse into B ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಗ್ತದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಗ್ತದ, right? ಅಪ್ ಟು ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕೇವಾ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ತೋಲೇಬೇಕು, right? 80% ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದ, 20% ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬಂತು ಬರ್ತದೆ, right? ಇದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗಳು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ what are the that is variables now, x, y, z variables by using the determinant topic, right? ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿವಾ that is 2x plus 3y is equals to 10, 3x plus 4y is equals to 20 ಅದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ, right? It is the linear equations in a two variable, right? 10th topic ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. pair of linear equations in two variable, pair of linear equations in a two variable topic, right? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 3 ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ನಿಂದ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, 3 ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ನಿಂದ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ನೆನಪದ that is first one is what? ಯಾವುದು? ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ that is solving one elimination ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? 3 ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ನಿಂದ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೂ ಇದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ 3 ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ರೈಟ್? ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಿತ್ತು? ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಂಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ನೋಡ್ಕೋ, ರೈಟ್? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ವು? x, y, z ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ವು? ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾವ? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ x, y, z ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾವ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, right? Take up that is the next exercise 4.5 4.6. First bit, that is examine the consistency of the system of equation now, right? Take up the first one, x plus 2y is equals to 2 and 2x plus 3y is equals to 3, first question, and the second one and the third one, right? They are told examine the consistency of the system of equation now, right? We know that, right? Take up first question. What is the meaning of A? A meaning that is coefficient of what? X and y. Take coefficient x here 1, coefficient y 2, coefficient x 2, coefficient y 3. Now it is A matrix. Right? Take the X meaning X y variables. Right? Next B meaning that is a constant now. 2 that is 2 3 now. 2 3. Right? Check the system of equation is consistent or inconsistent. First take it is a what is the determinant value here. Right? Take it is a determinant of A is equals to now 1 3 is 1 into 3 minus that is 2 into 2. Right? Determinant of A is equals to 1 3 is 3 minus 2 2 is 4. Determinant of A is equals to 3 minus 4 minus 1. Okay, no doubt. ಏನು ಬಂತು ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ so therefore determinant of A is not equals to 0, that is a non singular. Right? ಏನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ so therefore add on the sentence here A is a non singular. A is a non singular matrix. Right? Matrix. Okay, A inverse exist or not exist? A inverse exist now. A inverse exist and again so therefore system of equation is consistent or inconsistent? Consistent. Inconsistent now. That is a consistent. Right? Take up same as it is solve second question now. Okay. Right. Right? Take up question number 2. It is matrix A is equals to 2 minus 1 1 1 is a coefficient of x y matrix now. That is x meaning the variables that is x y and b meaning that is 4 5 comma 4 now 5 comma 4. Right? First check what is the determinant here. Determinant of A is equals to 2 into 1 minus 1 into minus 1 2 ones are 2 minus into plus minus that is 1 ones are 1 now 2 minus 1 1 now. See here determinant value again not equals to 0. Right? Again write down same sentence A is a non singular matrix. A inverse exists. System of equation is consistent. Okay, idenada idella ide same copy ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, right. Minus into minus plus. Okay, minus into minus plus now. Right? 2 plus 1 becomes what here? 3 now. Again no doubt the determinant of A is not equals to 0 now. Right? So therefore A is a non singular matrix. A inverse exists. The system of equations is consistent. Again the same sentence will perfect. Okay, right on. Right, take up next question. That is x plus y plus z is equals to 1. Right on first here. That is A matrix now. A matrix meaning the coefficient of x y z now. X variable 1, y variable 1 1. Okay, now it is 2 3 2 here. A next A and this 2A now. Right? Take it is a determinant here. Determinant of A is equals to, right? A11 is a positive now. Right? Delete first row, first column, first row, first column. 3 2s are 6A minus A into 2 2A. First row, first column is over now. A12 is positive or negative? Negative. Right? Again it is 1 now. Delete first row, second column. 2 2s are 4A minus 2 into A 2A. Right? Plus A13 is positive. Take plus this 1 now. Plus 1. A13 positive, that is the first row, third column, first row, third column, then 2 3 A are the elements now. 2 into A 2A minus 3 into A, that is 3A now. Okay, 3A. Right? Determinant of A is equals to 1 into, right, 6A minus 2A 4A. Okay, minus 1 into 4A minus 2A 2A plus 1 into 2A minus 3A minus 1A. Right? Determinant of A is equals to 4A into 1 4A minus 2A into 1 2A plus into minus 1 into A now. Right? Take it is 4A minus 2A minus 1A minus 3A now is equals to determinant of A is equals to 4A minus 3A 1A now. Correct? So therefore write down that is sentence determinant of A is not equals to 0. Okay, so therefore A is a non-singular matrix, right? A inverse what? A inverse exists. So therefore equation system of equation is what? Is a consistent now. Is a consistent. Okay. Okay. Next up, take that is Roman number 2 in second class. Thank you.